Hey everybody, Michael Wendt, Airgun Nation here. This is my buddy Chuck.
At Massenheimer Custom Leather.
Today we are going to be attempting the monthly target shooting challenge for Airgun Nation. For this month, it's actually a timed event with any type of airgun or pistol, any caliber, any distance, and the target is 5 cans at incremental distances. What distances are we shooting at today, Chuck?
We're shooting at 80 yards, 90 yards, 100, 110, and 120 yards.
Yep. And this event is actually going to be a timed event, so if you're shooting by yourself, you can time yourself. But since Chuck and I are sitting here side by side, we're going to time it, but more importantly, we're going to have a little duel. So we're going to run down range, turn on the cameras, and come back here and get to shooting. Sound good?
Sounds good. Let's do it.
All right, let's try this again. So our first attempt, our cans were too close together and we were knocking each other's cans down.
I actually hit his can. Knocked his can down.
This is true. So
I didn't shoot his can, I shot mine.
Yeah, so we refilled the cans, waited for the wind to pick up a little bit more, make it more challenging, and we're calling this old school versus new school duel number 2. Old school being our weapons, not our age. All right, you remember your holdovers, Chuck?
I remember.
All right, magazine's in, bolt open. Go ahead and shoulder it. And I will, once I start this, I'll say go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! Shoot your can anyway.
Boom! Well, we're gonna have to look at that footage because I thought. Upon further inspection, I completely forgot to shot the 100-yard target. So even though I made it to the 120-yard target first, Chuck clearly won that round, that duel, because he hit all 5 targets.
Would you repeat that?
Chuck clearly won that duel by hitting all 5 targets, and I only hit 4. So we're going to do the best 2 out of 3. Are you ready, Chuck?
I'm ready.
Magazine in.
Oops, I went ahead and closed mine.
Did you close your bolt?
I closed it.
All right, I'm going to close
worried
my
about
bolt.
timing.
I'm going to start this and then count down so we can just pull the trigger at the same time.
So you're going to say go?
I will say count 3, 2, 1, then go, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Did you finish?
Oh yeah! Did I finish? Oh yeah!
Oh, I got stuck at 110, 120. I was shooting high. Well, great job, Chuck. There you have it.
Here we go. 5 out of 5. Only shot 5.
There you go. Old school won. Or are you new school?
No, I'm old school. I'm old school.
Well, Chuck clearly won the man-on-man duel. So we decided that we're going to do it again, timing each other, and to see who can get the best time.
Are you ready?
Do it both open or closed?
You get your gun ready to shoot, and I'll count 3, 2, 1, go. So.
Okay, I'm going bolt closed then.
Good.
Go ahead. I'm ready.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, shoot.
There we go.
41.28. Take a screenshot of that.
What the heck? What happened to my holdover?
41.28.
Oh, crap. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh, wind, a little more wind.
Oh, 18.8 seconds.
That's under 30, isn't it?
All right, well, clearly I got schooled.
By old school.
In the duel, schooled by old school. In the duel and in individual timing, so.
Do a screenshot of that and send that to me.
All right.
1879. I want to. That's my best. 1879.
That was super fun. Thanks so much for having me over, Chuck.
So you want to just we set up some and you just shoot for the fun of it, or do we want to go and I'll buy you some barbecue at San Marcos?
Oh, I'm thinking barbecue.
Let's do it.